Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your tickets with StubHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start the ticket recovery process, open your web browser and navigate to the StubHub website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button and enter your login credentials. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After logging in, find the My Tickets section in your account dashboard. Click on My Tickets to view all tickets associated with your account. Look for the event for which you need to recover the tickets. If you see the event listed, click on it to see more details. In the event details, look for the option that says View Tickets or Download Tickets. Click on that option to access your tickets. If your tickets are missing, check your email for any correspondence from StubHub. Search for any emails related to your ticket purchase, including confirmation and shipping information. If you still cannot find your tickets, scroll to the bottom of the My Tickets page. There, you will find a Need Help option for further assistance. Click on Need Help to access customer support options. Select the support method that works best for you, whether it's live chat, email, or phone support. Follow the prompts to get in touch with a representative who can assist you. Provide them with all relevant details about your purchase. Once they verify your information, they will guide you through the recovery process. After following these steps, you should be able to successfully recover your tickets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.